Good morning, students. Welcome back to our online teaching. I hope you all are happy and healthy at home. I think you are happy with your new textbooks and notebooks too. Yes, children. Now, coming to our subject, today we are going to learn in English a new poem. Okay, a new poem. Before we go into our new poem, let us imagine or let us recall or think when you were in LKG. Okay, when you were in LKG, how you were. Okay, how was your reaction? After seeing this video, I want every child to go to your mother and ask your mom, when I was in LKG or when you left me in my classroom in LKG, how was my reaction? Did I cry each day? Or did I say goodbye to you? How was my miss? Or who was my teacher? Okay, how was the reaction of me in the evening when you came to pick up me? Okay, you will have so many questions. Ask your mom, did I eat my lunch properly? Okay, ask all these questions and keep your answers ready. In my next or in the tomorrow's Zoom class, I may ask few questions. Okay, children? Okay, you make a note and keep it ready. Now imagine you all are in LKG class. Okay, now I am the teacher of LKG. Okay, LKG class. Now I'll ask you a few questions. Okay, when you were in LKG, what did you learn there? Just recall what you would have learnt. Yes, you all are correct. You all have learnt alphabets, numbers, rhymes, stories, yes, etc. Because that was our first, okay, that will be your first schooling, isn't it? Okay, you will be very small, tiny tots entering into LKG. Yes, children, in our today, can you see this picture? What are these? Okay, these are the letters in alphabets. These are the letters. Okay, these are the letters even you learned when you were in LKG. Okay, let us now recite the song which you learned in LKG. Okay, sing along with me. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Shall we repeat once more? Okay, you should all sing loudly so your mom and dad will ask, hey, what you're telling ABCD in third standard? Okay, come on, let's join together and sing loudly. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Yeah, very good. You all sang very nicely. Children, my next question is, how many letters are there in this alphabets? Okay, how many letters are there in this alphabets? Yes, how many letters are there in this alphabets? Come on, count it fast. Count fast. How many letters are there? Yes, come on. Yes, there are, how many? There are, yes, you're right. There are 26 letters in alphabets. There are 26 letters in alphabets. My dear children, these letters are of two types, okay? Are of two types. They are called as consonants and vowels. Okay, alphabets are of two groups known as consonants and vowels. Okay, now let's see what are consonants. Okay, consonants. Consonants are those sounds that are made by completely or partially stopping the flow of air being breathed out. Okay, in simple words, okay, I'll tell you, any letter of the alphabet that is not A, E, I, O, U. Okay, A, E, I, O, U. Any letter of the alphabet that is not A, E, I, O, U is a consonant. Okay, on another hand, what are vowels? Vowels are those sounds that are made when the mouth is opened and the tongue is not touching the top of the mouth and the teeth, etc. Okay, just try, children, just try now. When we tell this vowels letter, that is A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. How many letters are there? Yes, there are 5 letters. So, in 26 alphabetic letters, if you minus 5, remaining 21 letters are called consonants. And these 5 letters are called vowels. Okay, when we pronounce, okay, when we tell these vowels, okay, everybody open your mouth and say, okay, everybody try this. When you read out these words, your tongue will not touch the top of the mouth. Okay, your tongue will not touch the top of the mouth and the teeth. Okay, and the teeth also. Let's try. Okay, everybody say A, E, I, O and U. Yes, the sounds made by any of this is considered a vowel. Okay, my dear children. Now coming to our poem. Okay, coming to our poem, that is poem 2. Today's poem 2's title is A, E, I, O, U. Repeat along with me. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, these 5 letters are called as vowels. Okay, now what are the 5 letters? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now coming to our poems, new words. I have taken 10 new words from this poem. Okay, what you have to do is, in your English note, you write tomorrow's date and write the heading. Write first, fill up the index, then take a new page, write poem 2. Okay, poem 2, and write the title A, E, I, O, U, and first main new words. Okay, new words, and there are 5 new words. I'll read it for you one time. Okay, just follow me. Okay, I'll read it for you. The number 1 is creatures. Okay, creatures. 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 Number 2 is features. Read with me. FEATURES. Futures. Number 3 is different. 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 Number 4, voice. 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 Number 5, glass. 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 Number 6, jet. Okay, number 6 is jet. 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 Number 7, pursue. Okay, pursue. PURSU. Pursue. Number 8 is never. 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 Number 9 is imaginary. IMAGINARY. RY, imaginary. And the last one is chase. 10th one is chase. CHASE, chase. You can copy down these 10 new words in your note, leaving one line. Okay, after each word leave one line. Okay, now after writing this, come to the second main, that is meanings. Okay, the second main is meanings. Okay children, now see here. The first meaning is creatures. Creatures. In this poem, creatures means imaginary beings. Imaginary beings. Second one, features. Second one, features. In this poem, here, features means looks. Features means looks. And the third one is pursue. Okay, pursue. Third one is pursue means follow. Follow or chase. Or chase. Now children, now let us see the poem. Okay, this is a poem. See, the title of the poem is AEIOU. AEIOU. Okay, I'll read once. Keep your finger and follow. Okay, look into your book. Okay, look into your book and follow my reading. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in a glassy set, one of us you will find in jet. The others you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. In the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. Okay, it can never fly from you. Children, this poem is written by Jonathan Swift. Okay, the author of this poem. Author means the person who wrote this poem is, name is Jonathan Swift. Okay, now along with me you all join and recite. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. Little more louder children. Yes, shall we read from first? Are you all ready? Yes, start together. We are very little creatures, all of different voice and features. One of us in class is set, one of us you will find in jet. The others you may see in tin, and the fourth a box within. In the fifth you should pursue, it can never fly from you. Yes children, tomorrow in our Zoom class I may ask one or two students to read this poem. So everybody learn this poem and come to our class. Did you enjoy this poem? I hope so. Okay children, I'll meet you in the next tomorrow's class. Before that, tomorrow before you come into class, bring your English book, English note, a pencil, eraser, everything. Okay, don't, after sitting in the class, don't go here and there. Okay, hope you'll enjoy your class tomorrow. Till then, take care, be happy. Okay, and stay at home and be healthy. Okay, my dear children, take care. Bye. Thank you.